to my channel. Do you know what? It's been a long time since I've done a beauty subscription unboxing, but I'm going to do one of those for you today. But if you are new to my channel, my name's Lesleyanne. I do all types of things on my videos. I do whether it's shopping hauls, unboxings, come cook with me, thrift shop, charity shops, all types, literally all types of things. So go and have a little check out of my playlist and see if there's anything there that you'd like. Oh, crafting, that's another one I'm quite big on as well. Yeah, I'd love you to subscribe to my channel and we can become friends. Anyway, let me get on and start this video. Let's get into it. Okay, so this is a Glossy Box subscription box. I haven't done one of these for a long time. It was something I used to do quite a bit on my channel, and then it kind of all got to be a little bit samey, and I was just accumulating so much stuff of very similar bits and pieces, so I decided to like quit it for a little bit, but I've decided to start again with the Glossy Box. I'm just gonna try and open it. You always get like bits of advertising in, like, you know, money off avocado, God Save the Scream, which is completely new to me. This one, I've never heard of that, but there you go. Food Spring. Okay. Right, so this is what it's come packaged like. It's, as it always is, in a beautiful box, a very strong, sturdy box. These boxes can be used for loads of different things. I often keep the boxes, or I used to keep the boxes, just so that I could maybe repackage another gift for somebody. Not that I wouldn't say it was a Glossy Box one, but I'd maybe cover the front of the box, but use it. It's great for packaging. That's what it comes like inside. So literally just undo the ribbon. This I always use for crafting. It goes straight into my crafting stash, that. So I don't waste that, so I recycle that. I recycle the packaging. I mean, you know, doesn't get much better, does it? Now this tells me what's in here. Okay. I have had a very sneaky peek, not at this box, but what other people have had. So in here it tells you, you've got a list of what's in here, what the recommended retail price is, and how you use it. It's also on the back got a sneaky peek of April's. Do you want to see that or not? Look, I'm going to show you. If you don't want to see it, just scroll on past or look away. But there's a little sneaky peek of April's. All right, guys, you can look now if you don't want to know. Gosh, I'm so hot. And then, of course, it comes all packaged in here with the tissue paper, and then you've got your little sticker on there. So I'll just undo it. And that, ooh, you can see that? Everything in there. Nicely packed out, isn't it? Dermalogical Centrobend lotion for problematic, dry, sensitive or eczema-prone skin. Soothes and moisturises, softens and protects, light and easily absorbs. 200 mils here. It is approved by the British Skin Foundation as well. It says a lotion used for the relief of the symptoms of eczema, dermatitis and other dry skin conditions. Apply to the affected area of the skin as often as required or as directed by a doctor or pharmacist. Smoothing gently onto the skin, following with the direction of the hair growth. Okay, that's interesting, isn't it? You wouldn't think to just apply it to your skin whether it make a difference if you're applying it in the direction of your hair growth or not, but clearly it does matter. But it does say children under 1 year should be treated under medical supervision. So obviously don't pop it onto your little babies or anything. That is what the little pump looks like. 200 mils. It's a great big size. So the recommended retail price of this is £7.99. See what it's like, shall we? Have a little look and see what it's like. Shake it. You can hear the little bead inside, and it's got a little, oh, did you see that? Oh, that popped out that quick. I pop it on my hand. So you didn't have to pump that much, did I? Okay, so it is a lotion. And that has beautifully gone in. It feels just silky, really silky. And actually the longer it's on, and it's only been on literally seconds, but I can really feel it's gone right in. I really like that, really like that. I'm going to pop that little cap in again. Okay, let's pop the next one out. Stamp and Drag by CRT. Full price of this is, it is full price, and recommended retail price for this is £15. Get a bit closer. So this is the packaging. So you can see it's got the CRT on there, and it says the Stamp and Drag here. So this end you've got the drag, so that's the actual eyeliner. So if I come here, oh wow, it's like velvet. Can't even really feel it. That's lovely. And then this is obviously the stencil. Here we go. So you can put your stencil that way, your wing that way, or your wing that way. There you go. Look how easy that is to do. No mistakes doing your wings on your eyes anymore, loves. And we've got a mascara. I have actually used this one before, and it really is nice. It's by Ico, and that's what the packaging looks like. It's a mini, it's 4ml, and it's worth £10. The full size is an 8ml, so double this size, and it's £19. The Ico one is, can you see? Squeezy. And you can just squeeze all that product out, down to the very last bit. And this is what the brush is like. So it's slightly curled. I will just try, put some on. I've actually got one coat of mascara on. I'll just pop one coat on. I haven't got a mirror, I'm just using you guys. Oh, I hope it's not too close for you. Can't even see what I'm doing. I'm doing this all by feel, you know. But it is a nice mascara. I do like the brush, but as I say, more than anything, I think it's great because you can like get all this product out. Look at this. Wow, this is by Sleek, and it's a highlighting palette. Copper plate. There you go. Okay, so this is a full size, and the recommended retail price is £9.99. It's so pretty. It's in like, it's like a gold, like almost a bronzy gold. Look how lovely that is. So reflective. You can see my blind and everything through it. So you've got a mirror here. There is a mirror, but I won't want to glare you. And then just take off the little protective cover. And hold on a moment, let me just, I do it this way so I don't glare you with the mirror. And I'll show you this way. There we are. That's what they're like. It's got a little brush. Let me just pop a little. Which one should I pop on? I'll pop a little bit here, shall I? I'll go for this one here. Let's just pop a little bit on. Oh, that's a pop of colour. A pop of highlight. Goodness me. Maybe I'll try a little bit here. I should be using a brush, I know, but I haven't got any right here. And I know there's a brush here, but I'd probably just use my own brushes. Pretty though, isn't it? Quite nice. Gosh, it certainly gives you a glow. Yeah, very nice, that one. And last but not least is a lippy. Okay, what does this say? MCO Beauty. Long wearing ultra creamy formula hydrating finish in the colour Flawless. Create a luxurious lip with the long lasting lipstick. The ultra creamy formula offers an intense long wearing colour and weightless hydrated finish. Directions: glide on the lipstick along the lips and reapply as needed. Okay, obviously this is a full size and recommended retail price is £15. Wow. Oh, it's really quite attractive in the bullet, look. That's nice, isn't it? The packaging's nice. Okay, it's obviously going to look different on me to how it may look on you, just because of our complexions, etc. But that is what the actual bullet looks like. So I'm going to get close and personal and in your face a little bit, so you might want to back off if I frighten you. That's quite pretty. It's pop a bit on my hand for you. A very pretty nude, isn't it? It's got a little bit more to it to me. It's got a little bit more depth than some of the nude colours that I've got. Some of them are just don't actually do a lot for me because my lips are actually quite dark anyway, and then I put a nude on and it doesn't even look nude, whereas this one's more of a, what do they call it? What colour are they calling this? Flawless. Very, very pretty, and it is definitely sort of pink based, and I like it. I really like it. As I say, some nudes don't even look as though I've got any lipstick on, you know, but yeah, very, very nice. So this is everything I got in the Glossy Box for March. I'm so happy with it. I'll add up everything I've got and tell you how much everything is worth that I've actually received. So I've added the total up according to this for everything that I've received, and it came to, I think it was £57.98, so it's over £57 anyway. I paid £10 for this box, so it's £10 per month plus I think it's £3.95, I'm sure it's £3.95 P&P, and you can do a rolling monthly subscription. You can subscribe for 3 months, 6 months, 12 months if you want to, and that will bring your price down a little bit more. But yeah, I'm absolutely loving it. I'm so glad that I've decided to take the plunge and to get Glossy Box again. As you can see, it's sort of well worth the money, isn't it? If there's something that you receive and you're not really that keen on it, or it's not your colour, etc., then you could always keep it and put it in your little present stash drawer or something and get it out and perhaps put a couple of items together for gifts for people. I've done that many a times before. That brings me to the end of this video, my lovelies. I hope you have enjoyed it. If you like shopping hauls and subscription boxes, that sort of thing, then please give me a nice big thumbs up. If you have enjoyed it, press that notification bell, then you'll know when I've done all my new uploads. And I'd love you to subscribe to my channel. Until the next one, my lovelies, take care, won't you? Bye.